Hello friends, today's topic is Tenali Tales Raman. The horse trainer, once the king of Vijay Gangra, expressed his desire to train his horse in such a way that it could understand human language. Many trainers attempted to fulfill the king's wish but none succeeded. Finally, the king turned to recommended in the house skill the Raman, known for his cleverness and wit. Tenali Raman accepted the challenge and began working with the horse. Days passed and the horse showed no sign of understanding human language. One day, the frustrated king asked Tenali Raman, "Have you made any progress in training my horse to standard human language?" Tenali Raman replied calmly, "Indeed, Your Majesty, the horse now understands human language very well." The king was delighted and immediately ordered, "Excellent, now demonstrate it to me." Tenali Raman nodded and whispered into the horse's ear, "Dear horse, if you understand human language, please nod your head in agreement." The horse, well trained by Tenali Raman, nodded its head in response. The king was overjoyed. And praised Tenali Raman for his extraordinary ability to communicate with animals. He rewarded Tenali Raman graciously, and from that day onward, Tenali Raman fame as a clever and resourceful person spread far and wide. Hope you enjoyed this short tale of wit and wisdom for Tenali Raman. The kingdom as a forever Tenali Raman, due to in the Tenali Tales Raman, the horse trainer, once king of Vijayanagara, expressed his desire to train it. Thank you.